The first step is to open Canva. Scroll down, and click to open the image you want to use. Click on the image to select it. Click Edit Image. Scroll down to find Filters. Click See All. Scroll to find the filter you want to use. Scroll down, and click the filter you want to apply. To adjust the filter's intensity, click the adjustment icon. With your mouse, click and drag intensity, then drop it on the new intensity. To return to your choices, click Filters. You can still change the filter you have chosen. Scroll and click a new filter. To remove any filter from an image, click None. To exit the filter choices, click Filters. That's it. You're done.